everyone. It's 15th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have Iran signals at executions trials amid Trump threat. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Jaishankar, Iran minister, discuss regional tensions. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Kukizo Council reiterates demand for union territory. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Going forward, we have primary healthcare gets a boost as government launches 81 Ayushman Arogya Mandirs. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have farmers march to Jaipur, called off, government holds talks. Again, very important. Then we have private schools in Delhi divided over setting up of fee regulation committees. Again, very important. Going forward, we have Karnataka to hold joint legislative session till January 31st. Economic impact of BBG Ramji Act on agenda. Again, very important for employment as well as economy perspective. Then we have PM celebrates Pongal, hails unifying effect of Kashi Tamil Sangamam initiative. Again, very important for art and culture perspective. Going forward, we have what is the Malayalam language bill 2025. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have what is the futuristic marine and space biotechnology. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Going forward, we have Jaishankar speaks to Iranian foreign minister amid unrest. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have government warns Meitei Kuki-Zo groups against flouting pact. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have IPKF soldiers finally receiving their due recognition, says Rajnath Singh. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have 29 Maoists gave up arms in second mass surrender event in the week in Sukma. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Going forward, we have UGC brings out new rules against caste discrimination. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have 18,000 seats remain vacant. NEET PG cutoff lowered after second round of counselling. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have NGT issues. Notice to 3 states over contamination of water. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Infosys Q3 net profit dips 2% to 6,654 crore. Again, very important for economy perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Trump revives Greenland threat, says US needs it for vital security. Then we have some personnel at US base in Qatar advised to evacuate. Then we have Kyiv orders children to be evacuated from 5 frontline villages. Then we have US named several Muslim Brotherhood chapters as terrorists. Lastly, we have construction crane falls onto moving train in Thailand, killing at least 32. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. A very happy Army Day. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.